Welcome back. Before we take a look at the day's business news, let's take a look at the stock indices across the GCC. Nakheel has awarded a 375 million dirham contract to build a retail complex on the tip of the Palm Jumeirah. The long-awaited development will help plug a big gap on the man-made project, which to date has no major shopping mall. The 136,000 square meter point project will comprise 200 shops and restaurants, as well as a fountain display and giant screens, according to a Nakheel statement. Gulf Technical Construction, a unit of Dubai's Drake and Skull, is expected to start work on the point by the end of this month, and construction is due to complete in 2016. A Nakheel spokesman said that a tender opened last year for construction work to build the much bigger 2.5 billion dirham Nakheel Mall, also on the Palm, had been extended by a month at the request of contractors. Last February, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, the UAE Vice President, Prime Minister and ruler of Dubai, gave the green light to Nakheel to proceed with both the point and the Nakheel Mall. Nakheel said that the point will be accessible by the Palm monorail that will soon be connected to the mainland tram, currently under construction, and it will also be served by water taxis to shuttle guests from nearby hotels. Last month, Nakheel reported a 27% increase in profits as it completed more than 3,150 new homes. The long-term corporate credit rating on Emaar Properties PJSC has been upgraded by Standard & Poor's Rating Services to BBB- from BB+ with a stable outlook. The rating reflects the sound performance of Emaar's shopping mall and hospitality assets and the successful launch and pre-sale of high-margin developments in Dubai. The enhanced rating by Standard & Poor's follows the recent upgrade by EFG Hermes of Emaar to buy status from neutral, in addition to raising its fair value to 10.1 dirhams from 6 dirhams. Underlining the strong performance of Emaar's shopping mall and retail business, the company's flagship development, the Dubai Mall, welcomed over 75 million visitors in 2013, a 15% growth in 2012, with an average monthly footfall of 6.25 million. The mall's 1,200-plus retail outlets recorded a 26% rise in sales during 2013 compared to the previous year, with revenues from Emaar's shopping malls and retail sector at 2.297 billion dirhams during the first 9 months of 2013. Emaar's hospitality and leisure business recorded revenues of 1.059 billion dirhams during the first 9 months of 2013, a 9% increase over the same period in 2012. The Dubai Multi-Commodities Center and the Gem and Jewellery Export Promotion Council, GJEPC India, are to host the Global Gem and Jewellery Fair for the first time in Dubai at Atlantis The Palm from the 20th to the 22nd of March. The event will play host to over 130 exhibitors participating from India and the GCC and will provide a platform for international buyers and sellers who seek to trade top-quality gems and couture jewelry during the 3-day event. Speaking at a press conference held at Almas Tower, Ahmed bin Sulayem, the executive chairman of DMCC, said that it is vital to continuously create new opportunities to nurture international relations with strong trading partners such as India, adding that Dubai has quickly emerged as one of the leading global centers for the trade of gold, diamonds, and precious stones due to the Emirates' ideal location between the producing and consuming nations along the New Silk Route. The UAE is a global hub for the gold bullion and jewelry trade, with gold jewelry consumption estimated at $2.5 billion, making it one of the top 5 in the world alongside China, India, the United States, and Russia. The UAE alone accounts for 40% of India's gem and jewelry exports. India is the world leader in production of cut and polished diamonds, emeralds, and tanzanites, with 14 out of 15 the world's diamonds cut and polished in India, products of the highest quality including loose diamonds, loose colored gemstones, plain gold jewelry, as well as diamond and colored stone studded jewelry is expected on display at the GGJF 2014. Dubai Chamber has hosted the Ghana Business Forum today, which follows a recent visit from Ghana's President John Dramani Mahama to the UAE in December. Ghana is ranked 5th in Africa and 67th in the world, according to a United Nations report on doing business. Considered one of the fastest growing countries in the globe, Ghana posts a growth rate of almost 11.5%, according to Honorable Nilanti van der Poy, Member of Parliament and Deputy Minister of Ghana's Ministry of Trade and Industry. While given the rich natural resources such as oil, gold, and a talented human resource pool, he reiterated the need for effective partnerships. The senior official says they aim to follow the UAE's model for thriving public and private partnerships, which is critical in advancing their development agenda in today's globalized environment, and tell the world that Ghana is ready for business.
We have a legal framework that provides security for your investment and the security piece for the people who come in to do business. The other side is the economic stability that we are provided. We have political economic stability that will make your investment have a turnover. That will also give you a security for your investment. You know, Africa has seen a situation whereby there is this system of coup d'etats and, military adventurism, which makes people investment a bit insecure, because once a government is thrown away, it creates a problem. But we have provided a stability, peace, and peaceful economic stability that will enhance business opportunities. The last one I would say is also about our investment climate. We have a good legal framework that protects the investment of investors.
Ghana can play a very strong role for us, become our agent or gateway into West Africa. Ghana has a very important factor for any businesses, which is stability, political, economic. Ghana has the opportunities of wealth. What you've heard today in their speeches, both the president of Ghana Chamber and the deputy minister, they both talked about wealth, people, and sharing wealth. And what they mean by that is that they are willing to share it with the other world, and that's very encouraging.
Strategically located, Ghana serves a market of around 300 million people in Western Africa and other parts of the continent. The Ghana delegation highlighted the diverse investment opportunities available in transportation, the energy sector, ICT, and many more.
If we're able to address maternal mortality rate, our women will be willing to get involved into business and trade, and also develop the linkages with global communities like Dubai and then United Arab Emirates. You could see that the women are making significant inroads because they have been roped into the system and mainstream their policies in terms of business and trade.